What's up, guys? Today I got this Pokemon earbuds, wireless. That's what we're gonna be unboxing today. I saw them like on Facebook, and I just had to get them. If you're a Pokemon fan, for sure. This the ultra low latency, water resistance, custom tuned 13mm driver. Look at this. It looks so cool. That you can also get like a keyboard and mouse. I will do another unboxing of the keyboard and mouse pad, the wired mouse, later on when I receive it. Look at this. Brand new. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Nice box. Alright. Oh, this is so cool. Look at that. Look at this. Another box. Pokeball box right here. Oh, look at this. Ooh, we got sponge. Damn. I like the color and the texture on this one. So what's in here? Oh, this is soft. That Pokeball right there. See what's in here? Alright. I don't wanna rip this box. No. There we go. Alright. Slide this off. Alright. Pika. It's gotta be the manual. This is the manual. See. Okay, right here we have a nice threaded cable. Nice covers. You get USB-C. You get your regular USB. It's green. Never seen it green before. Must be Razers, that's why. This is actually my first Razer product. Oh, this is thick. Alright, let's open this baby. How do you open this? Alright. There you go. Yeah, like other sponge is plastic. Alright, it's magnetic. So shiny. There's another one. That's so cute. This little tail. Here's my phone. Let's try to connect this. See if I know how to. Alright. See what the manual says. So this light right here is the battery indicator. Alright, your charging port. The headphones has multi-functions button. The Pikachu touch button, probably censored. How are you supposed to pair this up? Alright, while inside the charging case, simply open the lid to enter pairing mode. Alright, enter pairing mode. This baby's back in there. This Pokeball open. Let's go on Bluetooth. Search Bluetooth. It did not work. Alright. I'm back. And all I needed was to charge the headphones. Alright. I charged them for a bit. And look what happens when I open them. So cool. Alright. And now this will show up. Alright. Right here. Pair. Right, when I paired, it said this name. Pikachu. Alright, it's connected. You see how good they sound. Alright. Alright, I'm putting on some Monster Cat. Right. Got Shovel Play. I'm not paying for Spotify. Alright. You see that? Like right there? That's one click from muted. And that sounds loud. Well, it's not like loud, but I mean, you guys know what I mean. That's loud. Halfway, I can't even hear myself. That's super loud. I'm not even talking even louder because I can't even hear. I'm gonna put this right next to a mic. See that? Look. Put it right here. Look how far it is. That's super loud. Oh, I think I paused it. Oh, I think I skipped it with the functions. Hey, where's the next music coming up? Did I pause it? Come on, music. Taking too long. Skip this song. Wait, the song's getting louder. There we go. Look at that. The headphones are loud. For bass, it's just a regular bass. It's like not that good. Well, they're for sure loud. Super loud. I'll start using this because like the gummy headphones, they keep falling from my ear, and I didn't want no apples. And then when I saw this, man, this was perfect for me. All right. What else can I show you guys? See, I know there's like, I know that Razer has an app for like headphones. Not sure if it's like compatible with the Pikachu one. Let me check this out first, really quick. I'm gonna download Razer Audio really quick. Right, I'm sorry. What just happened? I'm not sure where this left off, but like my memory just ran out of space. Right, where were we? Right, Razer Audio. Let's open this. Pikachu. Allow. Allow. Get started. There's a game mode. Personal experience. Alright, I guess I could like keybind stuff. Alright, equalizer. Default enhanced bass. Let's try that one out. See if that actually is better. Enhanced bass. Back to the music. Right, bass do sounds a little bit better, but it's not that so good though because it's still earbuds. Well, it gives a better sound to the music for sure. Let's try treble. It's just your treble. All right, now switching back to default and hand space. It's just like a slightly difference to it. Where's the other app? Hammer to wireless. Okay, hammer to wireless. See what's this guy do. Understood. Alright, it's not compatible with the Pikachu one. Alright, it's probably just for this headphones. I'm not sure. Like, I'm not a big Eraser fan, but I just got this because like Pokemon, man. I love Pokemon. I just had to have it. This is just probably for gaming. I won't be able to tell the difference. I have to like probably play some games. But sure, it might be like some difference. Alright, guys. I got a Pokeball Go. I'm gonna put it right next to it. Next to the Pokemon Ball headphones. Compare size. Look at this. It's a jumbo. How big this is. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this. If you do, give a like. If you kinda like it, give a like still. If you dislike it, dislike it. It's fine. Just doing this for fun. Just sharing like products, moments, and stuff. I also do Twitch. Same thing, Gamester. I play a variety of games. So, check me out if you guys want to. And thank you. Hope you guys come in for the keyboard and the mouse unboxing whenever I get it through mail. Thank you, and peace out.